In this video, I'm going to show you how to access memories in Snapchat Web. So let's go ahead and open up Snapchat Web. So I'm going to open up my browser and then type in web.snapchat.com. And this will take you to Snapchat Web. Make sure you log into your account that you want to access your memories from. And then over here, click on your profile, then click on account settings. And then scroll down until you see my data. Click on here. And then when you scroll down, you'll see all these data that you can export or download. So you'll see export your memories here, just select that. If you want anything else, you can enable them, and then you can just click request only memories. And then select the date range and just confirm this email is going to be already there, and then click on submit. And as you can see, I already did this process before, so once it's done, once you clicked submit, it's going to take around a couple of hours or days for Snapchat to send you these memories. So just wait, and they'll send you it, and they'll update it in this page right here. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.